Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super timely: how to transfer crypto in Robinhood for 2025. With the crypto market evolving rapidly, Robinhood has rolled out some awesome updates to make transfers smoother and more secure. Whether you're moving Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your phone or computer. In 2025, Robinhood's interface is even more user-friendly, with enhanced security features like biometric authentication to protect your assets. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your digital assets are listed. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer by tapping on it. For example, if you're transferring Bitcoin, click on BTC to see your balance and options. Now, look for the Transfer or Send button. It's usually right there on the asset page. In the 2025 update, you'll see a new Quick Transfer feature that lets you choose between internal transfers within Robinhood or external ones to another wallet. If it's an external transfer, enter the recipient's wallet address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Next, specify the amount you want to send. Robinhood will show you real-time fees and estimated arrival times, which is a game changer for 2025. Double-check everything: amount, address, and network details, then hit Confirm. You'll need to verify with a PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for added security. After confirmation, sit back and watch the transfer process. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto. Before you go, remember that crypto transfers can involve risks like fees or irreversible transactions, so always double-check. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.